So a quick follow up as the sun's gone, or going, behind the clock tower. There's some chems left behind, as you can see. And over the other way. That's the other end of one of those actually. And there's a bit of one above it. If I can get it right on that. Anyway, you better see if it's showing up. I'd say the clouds above us are a bit suspect, these white ones. Reason being, they're a lot whiter than the others. And that's usually a sign of chems. Well, just from observation I suppose. Plus the way that one's laid out, straight, you know, it sort of adds more suspicion to it. Pennine wise, over that way. Sorry, I'm a bit shaky, I'm trying to hold this at arm's length and balance at the same time. Always suspect over there, that's a Pennine chemtrail. That one there. So is the one above it. Now, I have to sit down, sorry, hang on, bear with me. Right, that long one over there is, I'm guessing it's that one. That little short arse. So as you can see, it's in two, sign of 2 or 4 engines. As the sun's buggering off, there's a few there, isn't there? And that one's quite well illuminated. I'm not the best at being steady anymore. I wasn't always brilliant like, but got a rare genetic disease. I suppose I should think myself lucky, shouldn't I? Not everybody has one of them. It's just I'm getting a bit more unsteady. I'm 55 now. Had it all my life. Not after sympathy, I'm just saying that's why I'm shaking a bit. The clouds above, besides the whites, which I say more than likely chems, you've got the others turning orange. The white ones aren't. Well, of course they're not, that's why they're white. Sorry about that. Right, let's carry on. So the sun has buggered off, just about. It's behind the clock tower, on its way to Yanksville. I would add that I hope you guys over there haven't been chemmed as much as usual, but I know for a fact you bloody will be, because you're at war with the government. People just don't know it though, do they? That's just cloud. I'm just looking at the end of that one, just above the aerial. Looks like frequencies, but I'm viewing it from a distance obviously. That one there. On the end of it. It's got lines across it, but it could just be cloud, I don't know. Anyway, thought I'd include it. So evening chems, those, and the 2 over that way. One's only a put-put, it's only a little thing. That's what she said. So, other than that, it's a beautiful sky really, nice golden sun. Lovely golden sun. You know, I'm worried about you Americans. You're in serious shit over there, and you know it as well, like, those of you that are awake. I mean, over here, yeah, we get chems, sometimes we get hammered, but nothing on the scale you do all the time. It's always day in, day out at yours. We had it where it pissed it down for 3 days. So obviously if there's any chems there I wouldn't bloody know, would I, because the cloud was that thick. But I thought we got away with it today. See, over this way as well, besides the wispies up there, see that long stretch of dark cloud? There's not been a stretch of white above it. I just question everything now until I manage to use process of elimination to prove it isn't. I did that with the globe.